And just the cylinder head on that diesel engine for a semi-truck is generating over 1 million pounds of clamping force.
Literally, bolts are keeping the world together. I never thought about the fact that when an engine is running, it's actually the bolts taking up the load.
If you had an engine that you could somehow get in and machine all of the areas that you needed to machine and make it out of one billet block of iron, it would not be nearly as strong as it would be if you bolted it together. Taking a bolt like this, so this is an M20 bolt, so this is a 10.9 20 millimeter diameter bolt measured at the threads. So this is good for 57,000 pounds of clamping force, okay? So it sounds a little scary to take this to, say, 50,000 pounds to generate over, almost 90% of its ultimate tensile strength. It sounds a little scary to an engineer to say, we're going to tighten this bolt to 85 to 90% of its ultimate tensile strength and then ask this bolt to go out in the world and do its job, right? Yeah. But that's exactly what we want to do in many cases. And in the case of like critical engine fasteners, where we've got critical joints, like we talked about with the maybe connecting rods for an engine or a main bearing cap, like those bolts are all tightened to 90+% of their ultimate tensile strength, and then they go out into the world and do their job.
Yeah, it's crazy. And you just think how many bolts, literally bolts are keeping the world together.
Yes, yeah, absolutely, yeah. When you see like a semi truck going down the road, that engine is getting all of its strength from the pre-stress of all of those fasteners. And so the tension that we generate during the tightening operation is critical to how round the bore is, how round all of the crank bore and the cylinder bore, and then that's actually where the engine gets its strength from. So if you think a big solid engine block, it's getting its strength from the pre-tension of all of those fasteners, and that's really the magic of how the bolted joint works. Is creating that high amount of tension. And just the cylinder head on that diesel engine for a semi-truck is generating over 1 million pounds of clamping force.
Wow.
So we're talking about 300 cars worth of pressure holding that joint together. It's quite impressive.
Yeah, I never thought about the fact that when an engine is running, it's actually the bolts taking up the load. And that's being translated through a series of steps into the wheels, right? And that tension is actually coming from the bolts holding everything together.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's something we really don't fully appreciate when we think about something like that. It allows the shape to be in such a way where you couldn't even make it out of one piece. So just the idea that we're using bolts, we're using threaded fasteners to create this huge amount of tension force. Things all around us are getting a positive impact from that phenomenon. And it's something we don't fully appreciate, and it's happening in the background everywhere.